kids. As you all know that we are revising the whole topics in this week. So today is the time to revise addition sums with and without carry. I have taken two examples to revise this topic. These are the two examples. One is without carry and one is with carry. Let's take first example without carry. Here at ones place upper digit is 6 and lower digit is 3. You have to keep 6 in your mind and you have to open 3 fingers. और जब आप यहाँ पे 6 के बाद काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करोगे 3 fingers काउंट करोगे और what you will get the answer 9. Now 9 is a single digit number, so no need to write carry. यहाँ पे तो कैरी आया ही नहीं, तो हम यहाँ पे कैरी नहीं लिखेंगे. So what we will do? We will keep tens place number, tens place का जो upper digit number है उसको माइंड में रखेंगे और lower digit की fingers open करेंगे. और when we will count one finger after 8, we again get answer 9 here. Now again it's a single digit number, so we will shift at 100 place and we will keep 7 in our mind and we will open 2 fingers. When we will count 2 fingers after 7, again we get the answer. Is it clear now? Let's do other sum. This is the example of with carry. Addition sum with carry. Here at ones place upper digit is 7 and lower digit is 6. Now you have to keep this 7 in your mind and this 6. What do you have to do? Yes, you have to open 6 fingers here. Now when you will count 6 fingers after 7, you will get the answer 13. Now 13 cannot be written at the ones place answer. So what you will do? You will write it here and you will mark it as ones and tens place. राइट साइड वाला नंबर वंस प्लेस के आंसर में लिखोगे और जो सर्कल में ये जो 1 है इसको टेंस प्लेस के कैरी ओवर में लिखेंगे लाइक दिस. Is it clear? Now at tens place we have 3 numbers 1, 6 and 2. Now we will start solving the tens place by keeping 1 in our mind and 6 fingers open. When we will keep this thing in your mind and 6 fingers we will count after 1, we will get the answer 7. Now again we will keep 7 in our mind and this 2 which is left, this we will open fingers. We will add 2 fingers after 7 and we will get the answer 9 here. So we will write this 9 at tens place answers like this. Now we will shift to 100 place. Here upper digit is 5 and lower digit is 3. Now we will count 3 fingers after 5 and we will get the answer of 100 place like this. Am I right? I think now the concept is clear to you. Thank you.